In this video, others ask me about Python. I am going to answer the top 3 questions in Python. What is Python? What can you do with it? And the third one, why Python is so popular? Fastest growing and the most popular programming language, not just among software engineers but also amongst mathematicians, data analysts, scientists, accountants, and network engineers. It is a very beginner friendly programming language. So people from different disciplines use Python for a variety of different tasks such as data analysis, visualization, artificial intelligence, and machine learning automation. In fact, this is one of the big uses of Python amongst people who are not software developers. If you constantly have do boring repetitive tasks such as copying files and folders around remaining them, uploading them to a server, you can easily write a Python script to automate all that and save your time. And that's just one example. If you continuously have to work with Excel spreadsheets and PDF, CSV files, download websites and parse them, you can automate all that stuff with Python. So you don't have to be a software developer to use Python. Lines of code. Okay, let's take a hello world. Here is an example. Let's say we want to extract the first 4 letters of text hello world. HELL. Okay, this is the code we have to write in C#. This how we do it in JavaScript, and here is how we do it in Python. See how short and clean the language is. Yeah, absolutely Python. That's just a beginning, and Python makes a lot of terrible things really easy with a simple yet a powerful syntax. Okay, let's see. Here are a few other reasons Python is why is so popular. Okay, it's a high level language. Reasons of Python is why is so popular. High level language, uh, cross platform, use community and a large ecosystem. So you don't have to worry about the complex large tasks such as a memory management. Cross platform, which means you can build and run Python applications on Windows, Mac, and Linux. It has a use community, so whenever you get stuck, there is someone out there to help. It has a large ecosystem of libraries and frameworks and tools, which means whatever you wanna do, it likely that someone else has done it before, because Python has been around for 20 years. Python is a multi-purpose language with a simple, clean, and beginner-friendly syntax. Okay, all of that means Python is awesome. Technically, everything you do with Python, you can do with other programming languages. But Python is a simplicity and elegance. Whether you are a programmer or an absolute beginner, okay, learning Python. If you found this video helpful, please liking and sharing it with others. Also, be sure to subscribe because I have a couple of Python tutorials for you. You are going to see them on the screen now. Here is my Python tutorials for beginners. It's a great starting point if you have limited or no programming experience. I am not going to waste your time. Okay, I am not going to waste your time. Okay, thanks for watching.